Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to get a good music on Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Capcut and you can start a new project, or you can also use the previous project that I have. And here I already prepared the project for you. But then I have no audio on it. So the things that we have to do is make sure that this straight lines is stand in the beginning of the clip. So this straight line will be define like where does the music's gonna start. Whenever it's already stay in the straight in the first clip, you just need to go click add audio. You can just choose the sounds and you can explore the sounds that provide by the Capcut. You can just find the musics that relate into your video here, or if you want to have a music from TikTok, you can just go click this to link into your TikTok account, or if you already have your own musics on your phone, go click this button and you will kind of find the musics on your storage. But then if you need a recommendation, just go into the fire signs here and there will be a lot of music that are recommended by the Capcut itself. You just need to go click once of them, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click this plus button, and now you just need to adjusting the length of the musics. So you just need to bring this straight line into the end of the clips, and after that you just need to go click the audio part, go click split and delete the rest. Now we already have a music on our project. So that's the way how to get a good music on a Capcut. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this video.